Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are building an LED heart beating effect circuit, and I'll explain exactly how every component works. Just two 555 timers and 3 LEDs, and your circuit starts beating like a real heart. Pure analog magic. If you're new to electronics, don't worry. I'll walk you through every step, nice and easy. Let's go. Power comes from a 9-volt battery, feeding both 555 timers in parallel. The first 555 runs fast, controlled by a 200K resistor and a 1 microfarad capacitor. Its output pulse hits the base of a BC547 transistor, switching it on and off rapidly. The transistor controls the LED current path. When it switches on, current flows through the LEDs. At the same time, the second 555 runs slowly, 300K resistor, 2.7 microfarad capacitor. It sends a slow negative pulse, pulling the LED line low periodically. So the LEDs see two signals combined, the fast transistor switching and the slow 555 pulling low. Together, they create a burst then pause rhythm. That burst and pause, that's your heartbeat. Hope that made sense. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple circuit builds. See you in the next one.